We're going to enter menu 48. We need the password of 1111. This is how we linearize menu 48. We're choosing 7 points. We hit the down arrow. We're going to enter the values for the first point. It's going to be 15 and 20. 0.750. Next one is 30. And now we're going to enter the K-factor of 0.750. Notice the K-factor is determined by the ratio of the standard over the DUT. Next one, third point, we're going to enter 55 and 0.9167. We're going to keep going and doing the same thing. 9167 we should have entered. Fourth one, should be 95, and we're going to enter 0.95, and next one is 145. Hit enter, and you can stop this video and pause it and go back to see what you've got. And our last point, our 180 with a K-factor 0.9. We don't need all the zeros. We just showed you that. Now we have to save the data. So click enter. And we can review them. This is verifying. Once we know these are all correct, menu 26, that's how we save the setting. You can hit enter twice, you'll hear a double beep. Now it's all ready.